welcome to my channel. So today I decided to do an unboxing with you guys. I don't think I've done any unboxing here before. Yeah, but so this is going to be my first unboxing here on YouTube. Yeah, so we decided to buy this iPad for one of my daughters. This is let me tell you guys a story about us buying her iPad. Okay, this is like the third iPad we are buying her. The first one we bought her, the mini iPad. We have actually bought her two mini iPads, and the first one she took it and put it in water, and then the second one just, I don't know what she did with it, but it wasn't charging anymore. Yeah, so we decided to get another one. This time we got a different size. This is the bigger size, and this is iPad. I think this is the latest version of the iPad that Apple has right now, the ninth generation. This is iPad, the ninth generation. Yeah, so we decided to get another one because it actually saves money, even though it's expensive to buy it at once, but it saves you money in the long run because um it doesn't get spoiled like that, unless like somebody or the child mishandles it like she has done in the past. Yeah, but this time I bought a nice case for it, a protective case, and I also bought a screen protector for it. So yeah, I'm just trying to unbox it and show you guys how it is. It came in the mail. They delivered it to my address, and we went this we've always gone with the is was it gold. Yeah, we've always had a gold. This time we decided to go with a black and silver, and this is everything that came with the iPad. It came with this it's just a care instruction, about the iPad and all of that goodness. And also the reason we got this one too was because we want something that she can be able to use or have internet access when we go outside. So that's why we got this one too. It also has the yeah, this is how it looks like. um as I said, it is a ninth generation, um and it came with a SIM card. It came with a slot for SIM card, and that little pin is what you use to put in the SIM card in that location. Yeah, so that's what we have, and it also came with the original charger, and also the plug for the wall. I'm just showing you guys everything that came in the box. That's everything that came with the iPad. Yeah, so now let me go ahead and show you guys the iPad proper. So this is how it's looking like, brand new. um yeah, I'm just trying to open it so we can put it on together, and then I'm going to set it up uh and make it ready for her to be used. But I'm not going to give her today actually, because I ordered the screen protector and it hasn't come yet. Yeah, so that is how it's looking like. And that is the back. Is white, black and silver. I was just trying to figure out, because each time they make this, Apple make their product, they always change the button. So I was trying to look for where to actually turn on the iPad, because previous, so I think they changed it. So it was now the other one was on the side. We have had the one that was on the top. So I'm just pressing the home button to see if anything came on. It did not, and I finally figured it out that it was on the top. Yeah, so I'm going to power it on, and then I'm going to set her fingerprint, and yeah, that's the Apple logo. Man, I think Apple is one of the best electronics out there, in my opinion. I just love Apple product. In our house, we have everything Apple, like our laptops, our desktop, our phones, our earpod, everything is Apple. Yeah, so maybe they should sponsor us. Yeah, so I just powered it on. So I'm going to go ahead now and I will set it up for her, set the Wi-Fi, and get it ready to be used. So guys, I just wanted to share this little unboxing with you guys. This Apple iPad 9th generation iPad for my daughter, who is 5 years old, and hopefully and praying and keeping our fingers crossed that this one she doesn't mess it up, because we told her this is going to be the last iPad that we are actually getting her. Yeah, so we just decided to gift we deci- yeah, so we just decided to give this to her, because if you're a mom, you know that when these kids they don't have their electronics, the burden is on you, the parent, because they will come on your neck every minute and every second. I feel like the iPad kind of distract them a little bit. Yeah, and it's also very educational as well. So I'm setting up all the parental control, I'm setting up family sharing and all of that, because I do track my kids' devices. Yeah, I do track all of their devices. So I'm just setting up her own accounts, and it's taking a little bit longer. Alright guys, I think that will be it for this video. I just wanted to share this little unboxing, and if you like videos like this, just subscribe below, like the click the like button, share my video. Someone might be interested in what I do. And without much talking, I would let you guys go, and I want to say a very big thank you. And yeah, see you guys in my next video. Bye.